Look at how beautiful this mushroom is. She's so cute. Let's make some coffee. I, of course, am using Rowdy Nights Club mushroom instant coffee. Duh. Only the best of the best coffee for me and this little cute mushroom cup. Look at that. Ooh, girl. So freaking cute. I can't get over it. And it tastes so good. I had to drink some of it so I could add some caramel. Now, if that's not super freaking cute, I don't know what is. I hope you all have a wonderful, beautiful, blessed day. Do something that makes you happy today. I did. Look at her. She's cute. Okay, bye.